Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the stocks that we would be interested in trading the next week. So you know the drill. We use the strategy called 3-step price action strategy. So the drill goes like this. First we identify the trend, whether it is uptrend or a downtrend or in a range. So we only trade the trending markets. So if it is an uptrend, we are going to look for only buying opportunities. If it is in a downtrend, we are going to look for only selling opportunities. Okay, the next step is basically we identify the zones that we would be interested in taking the trades, and the third step involves the assessment of quality of the trading opportunity that arises within our trading zone. Okay, so let's have shortlisted some of the stocks that I would be interested in. Let's go this very quickly. The first one I've identified is Manappuram Finance. So in this, guys, I've already marked here, is probably from the previous week. As you can see, this is the zone that I would be interested in trading. Why? Because that's where the market kind of broke out from that level, and it's in an uptrend. Basically, that's the reason I'm interested in only buying opportunity in this particular stock. So we have identified the trend, it's in an uptrend, we're looking for buying opportunities, and we have identified the zone that we are interested in. And as you can see here, this is the zone that I am interested in, that I have marked in red, and now the price is around that zone basically. So you could look for buying opportunities. You can use any entry strategy that you prefer to enter, and make sure you always look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio is available for the trading opportunity that you identify within that zone. Okay, in this Manappuram Finance, it's around that zone. So what we could do is basically see if we get some kind of retracement on Monday, and then look for some buying opportunities here. Okay, that's one thing. And the next stock is Chola Finance. Even this one, the marked areas is from the previous week, and this one looks really good for because it just, the price got rejected from the zone that we have marked here. So we got a very nice opportunity. So if the price probably goes above the high of this last bar, we can look for 1:2 trading 1:2 trading opportunity, the risk reward ratio. Let's assume we take the trade above the high of this last bar, and then the stop loss would go below the recent swing low, which would be somewhere around here, and we look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that would be something like this, something like that, 1:2. Okay, so because it is in an uptrend, we have identified the zone. The price has got rejected from that zone, which means that there is some buying pressure going on in this particular stock. So this looks really good, Chola Finance. The next one is Hero Motors. We have marked this in the previous week's analysis that we are looking for selling opportunity. We haven't got, if you already found one, I did take a trade here last week, but I think it's still valid. So what we can do is we can see if price goes up to this point somewhere again here and gets rejected, we get a nice bearish pressure on the chart, then we can look for a selling opportunity like this. The next stock is Britannia. As you can see, it is in an uptrend, a nice uptrend, and then the price has been going up very nicely from this point here. So we're looking for only buying opportunities, as we have spotted this as in an uptrend. It is reaching our zone, and it's very close to our zone. So if we get a nice entry opportunity from somewhere here, and then we look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio opportunity. Okay, the next one is TVS Motors. This also, as you can see, is from the previous week's analysis. If you haven't watched the previous week's analysis, please do so, and you get a better idea why I have marked these zones here. It is in an uptrend, and this is a zone that I would be interested in, that I have marked here. and then the price is just around within that zone. If you get a nice entry reason, then we should go long in this particular stock. The next one is ACC. ACC, it was in an uptrend, and now, as you can see, it's kind of breaking this structure and came down. Okay, and it's trying to go up now. So what I would be interested in is taking a sell opportunity somewhere around here. I'll just mark the zone for you here, somewhere in this zone, which is very close at the moment. The current market price is around that zone. So if you get a nice selling pressure from this particular area, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity and expecting the price to at least hit this trend line level. And if I get a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, then I would be selling this stock. Ambuja Cements, it's again the same thing. ACC and Ambuja Cements pretty much go hand in hand. So this is the zone I would be interested in, which is again very close to that zone. And I'm expecting something like this to happen. When the price reaches there, we get a nice selling opportunity, and then we will take it if we get one. If you don't get a nice selling opportunity here, and if the the price just pops out of this zone, then simple, we're not going to sell basically anywhere here. Only when we get a selling pressure from that zone, then only we're going to sell. Okay, the next one is Aro Pharma. Aurobindo Pharma looks really good. The trend is up. Okay, as you can see, the trend is up, and then the zone I would be interested in is here. Sorry about that. Let me take this tool, and this is the zone I'd be interested in. As you can see, the price got rejected just hitting that zone, and we can see a very nice buying pressure in the last candlestick. So what we can do is we look for a buying opportunity here, and then if we get some kind of retracement here, let's say if we enter somewhere here and then keep our stop loss below this and look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio, which would be around here. Okay, so I'm looking for a buy opportunity now in the Pharma. Next one is Balkrishna Industries. This one is again in an uptrend, and then I'm not so sure about this particular stock here. I mean, we will have to wait for some more price action because our zone is quite distant from the current market price, so we will have to wait. I'm not sure we're gonna get the trade next week, but anyway, that's in my watch list. Berger Paints, this is looking really good. It's in an uptrend, as you can clearly see, and the zone I would be interested in probably somewhere here in this zone here. So if the price comes back to test this structure here and then gives us an entry reason to buy, then we are going to go long in Berger Paints. Next one is Hindustan Petroleum. Again, this is an uptrend, and this is the zone I would be interested in. So it is around that zone. So if you get a nice buying opportunity here, I'll be looking for buy and expecting the price to go higher there. So again, if you get a nice 1:2 risk to reward ratio, then we'll be looking for buying in this particular stock. Next one is Maruti. This again is an uptrend, and this is the zone I would be interested in, and we have to see how the price reaches this level. If it comes down very strongly here, then I'll be looking for a like a second entry kind of a thing. I mean, if you don't know why I said that, please look into my first video which explains everything about this strategy. So if price comes kind of slowly to this level here like this, and nice bullish pressure is printed on the chart, then we're going to look for buying opportunities here. Okay, the next one is Muthoot Finance. Okay, this one is kind of different strategy which I'm going to discuss in my future videos, which is called it's basically advanced price action strategy, which I will be explaining to you in my future videos. So for the time being, let's leave it, because we are only focusing on 3-step price action strategy that involves trading in the direction of the trend. Okay, so ignore this particular stock. And in RBL Bank, I'm not sure about this one as well. It involves advanced price action strategy. This is not a straightforward three-step strategy that I would be interested in. I might not be interested in buying here. I will tell you more about that, why I wouldn't be interested in this in my future videos. So stay tuned about that to know more about advanced price action strategy. SBI is looking good. It's in an uptrend, and this is the zone I am interested in actually to look for buying opportunities. So if price comes down to this level here, then I will look for buying opportunities. Now there is a chance that the price just goes up from this point here. It might not retrace at all. It might just go up like this. Then I will change my strategy, and then I will keep you posted. Next one is Siemens. Siemens, it's in a nice uptrend. As you can see here, it's in a nice uptrend, and I'll be looking for buy opportunity in this particular zone here. Okay. The next one is Torrent Power. This one again, it's in a very nice zone, and it has printed a nice bullish pressure as well, so it looks really good. It looks like the pharma sector is set for another bull run here, as you can see from Aurobindo Pharma as well. So this is somewhat similar to that chart, which is just printed nice bullish pressure in the zone of interest. So we could look for buying opportunities here, okay, and look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Next one is Voltas. It's in an uptrend. I mean, it has done quite a big rally, so I'm really not so sure about taking a big trade here. I'll be looking for price to come to this level, and then assess the chart whether if I can get a nice buy opportunity. Only then I'll be looking for buying opportunity here. Reliance again is more about advanced price action strategy that I'll be discussing in my future videos. The next one is BPCL. Again, it's not a straightforward three-step price action strategy, so I'll leave it there. Same with Power Grid as well. So in this particular video, we are only focused on three-step price action strategy that I have explained you earlier. There are some other stocks that involves advanced price action strategy that I'm going to post in my future videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends as well, so it keeps me motivated to bring you more videos, educational videos that could help you make a better trader. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much, guys. See you soon.